Welcome to a world of wonders where every corner tells a story and every moment becomes a memory. From the pristine beaches that kiss the ocean waves to the towering mountains that touch the sky, nature unfolds its beauty in every direction. Discover the rich tapestry of cultures that define our world. Immerse yourself in traditions passed down through generations and explore the heritage that shapes our identities. For the adventurous spirit, the world is a playground. Whether you seek the thrill of the unknown or the peace of the wilderness, adventure awaits at every turn. Indulge your senses with flavors from around the globe, from street food to gourmet dining. Experience the culinary traditions that bring people together. Feel at home no matter where you roam. Our hospitality is as warm as the sun, ensuring your stay is as comfortable as it is unforgettable. The world is waiting for you, so pack your bags, embark on a journey, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Your adventure begins now. Discover the world. Travel today.